Hello friends, Meeta Banerjee here with my show Caring for Mama Earth, the Eco-Nut Way. Today, let's talk about a simple doable thing we can do. Let's talk about cups. Thankfully, this plastic cup has been banned. So, we have switched to these disposable cups, paper cups. But tell me one thing, do you think these are as safe or eco-friendly as you think they are? First of all, they are made of paper, which is wood. 70 million trees are cut in a year just to make paper cups. Besides that, this is lined with a thin coating of plastic. So when you drink hot tea, coffee, soup, you are actually drinking part of those toxic microplastics which is going into your system. Not only that, when you throw it away, it takes that much more time to decompose, and it is letting off carbon dioxide and methane, causing global warming and climate change. So what can you do? Yes, there are some incidents where you have to use them, but try to switch over to reusable cups as much as possible in the home, in the office, or in your other establishments. Let me tell you about a brilliant out-of-the-box idea by one young lady, Dr. Aarti Bhandare in Belgaum. She has this organization called Amulya Boond. Now she realized that in the sabji mandi in her neighborhood, there are about 45 sabji fruit walas, and 45, and every day they drink about 4 cups of tea. You know how Chotu Ram comes around with that little kettle of tea, that big steaming kettle and that roll of paper cups, and sabko chai he gives them. So 4 times a day. So she calculated that means in a day 180 paper cups. In a month, 5,400 paper cups. In a year, 65,700 paper cups. Big deal. So she said, let's do one thing. Suppose we give each of these sabji walas a steel glass like this, which costs just about 10 or 15 rupees. And they can drink tea in this. They can just keep it along with their food ka dabba and their bottle of water, and they drink, and they just rinse it with water, and that's it. So you're saving that many trees. You might say, you're wasting water, but how much water? It takes about 4 gallons to make one small cup like that. So here you just need a little bit of water to clean this, isn't it? So that way, now she is saving how many trees? So suppose you say she is saving 5,400 cups, which means 2.5 trees in a month, which means about 26 or 28 trees in a year she's saving. This is just one small sabji mandi in Belgaum. Suppose there are 10 sabji mandis. That means Belgaum as such is able to save 250 trees. Belgaum is just one small town in India. There are hundreds and thousands of towns. Now in every place, in all the sabji mandis, if you do it, you are saving how many? Multiply by 250 into so many, you are saving thousands, lakhs of trees every year. Great idea, isn't it? And doable. Similarly, if you run an establishment, suppose you have 4 or 5 employees, so why not get a reusable cup for every one of them? If you want, you can have it printed with their names, whatever. But each of us can do something. I will not use a paper cup. I will see that somebody else also does not use a paper cup. Reduce the use of paper cups and save that many trees, so that there are that many trees left later for our children and grandchildren, for the oxygen and for a cleaner, greener earth. Doable, right? So here is cheers for chai.